Hi everybody, it's Joe again from Joe Pro Decor. This video is about setting up access for doing hall stairs and landings. So hall stairs and landings are notoriously the most difficult room to do inside a property. And as a painter and decorator, I get asked to do a lot of hall stairs and landings. This is due to the fact that the homeowner or the person that rents a property decides that they haven't got the correct equipment, or they just look at it and think, how am I going to do them high ceilings? How am I going to wallpaper that wall? So this is part 2 of 2 videos I've done on this type of access equipment. First video, if you check it out on my YouTube channel, and I'll put a link to it at the end of this, that one is regarding cutting in when you're painting. So you only use, say, a ladder like that one that's set up there, and I explained everything you need to know about that. So I'm integrating them ladders on this system, but this is for the purpose of, and you can use this on bigger areas that need cutting in as well, to save you having to keep moving the ladder like I explained on the other video. But as you can see, I've had to crossline these walls because I'm going to be wallpapering the walls. Don't forget, always remember to wallpaper a wall first if it's a woven finish wallpaper. Very important, and I explained that on another video also. So as you can see here, I've just set up a pair of steps at the top landing area. Don't forget, these have to be pushed down to be safe. Don't forget that. This is an extending platform. It's actually a little giant extending platform, and you can get them in various places if you do a Google search. I think I bought this one online myself. So it extends to about 9 feet, and I think it's 5 feet in situ. So obviously on this one it's not very long, so I've not had to extend it very much, but you basically just pull these bits out, they slide in and out on the end. So that's it. You basically set your ladder up, don't have the angle too much, and don't have it too little because you don't want them tipping back the other way. And just by extending these ladders, putting them against that wall, and then just resting the extending platform on the rungs that way and that way. So now you've got access to this applying horizontally, so you can just walk across as you're doing it. So like I say, brilliant for wallpapering, brilliant for cutting in. If you want to ask any questions regarding the piece of equipment, the type of ladders I use, step ladders, just comment on the page, and I will answer as quickly as possible. I'm going to be uploading a lot of useful videos in the future. I have had a little bit of a break and I'm going to be getting back into it now. So please like the video if it's useful for you, and please subscribe and press the little bell icon. You'll get notifications for further videos. So until the next time everybody, take care. I'll see you soon. Bye.